The ongoing legal troubles of former President Donald Trump. Former President Donald Trump has found himself embroiled in legal troubles that continue to plague him long after leaving office. From lawsuits related to sexual misconduct to allegations of inciting the January 6th Capitol attack, Trump's legal battles are far from over. This article will explore the ongoing legal issues faced by the former president, their implications for American democracy, and the possible outcomes of these legal proceedings. One of the most significant legal issues faced by Trump is the investigation by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office into his finances and tax returns. The investigation began after the New York Times reported that Trump had paid little to no federal income tax in many years. The investigation has been ongoing for several years, and the district attorney's office has reportedly impaneled a grand jury to hear evidence in the case. If the grand jury finds evidence of wrongdoing, Trump could face criminal charges, including tax fraud or other financial crimes. Such charges would be unprecedented for a former president and would likely result in a prolonged legal battle. In addition to the Manhattan investigation, Trump is also facing numerous lawsuits related to sexual misconduct allegations. These lawsuits include defamation claims filed by several women who accused Trump of sexual assault or harassment. Trump has denied all allegations of sexual misconduct, and his legal team has sought to dismiss the lawsuits on various grounds, including the statute of limitations. Another legal issue facing Trump is his alleged involvement in the January 6th Capitol attack. While Trump was not present during the attack, he is accused of inciting the violence through his rhetoric and false claims about the election. The House of Representatives impeached Trump for incitement of insurrection, but he was acquitted by the Senate. Several lawsuits have been filed against Trump related to the Capitol attack, including a lawsuit filed by 2 Capitol police officers. The lawsuit alleges that Trump's words and actions incited the rioters, leading to injuries and damage to the Capitol building. If successful, the lawsuits could result in significant financial damages for Trump. The legal troubles facing Trump have significant implications for American democracy. Trump's refusal to accept the election results and his lies about voter fraud have already caused damage to the democratic process. The Capitol attack was an unprecedented assault on American democracy, and Trump's alleged involvement only highlights the gravity of the situation. The ongoing legal battles also raise questions about the role of the presidency and the rule of law in American society. The idea that no one is above the law is a fundamental principle of American democracy. If a former president is found guilty of criminal charges, it would send a clear message that even the highest office in the land does not grant immunity from the law. The outcome of these legal proceedings remains uncertain. The Manhattan investigation, in particular, could take years to resolve, and the grand jury's findings are not yet known. The lawsuits related to sexual misconduct and the Capitol attack are also in the early stages, and it is unclear how they will play out. However, regardless of the outcomes of these legal proceedings, the damage to Trump's reputation and legacy is already done. His presidency will be remembered for its controversy and division, and the legal troubles he faces only further highlight the seriousness of the situation. In conclusion, the ongoing legal battles faced by former President Donald Trump are unprecedented in American history. The Manhattan investigation into his finances and tax returns, lawsuits related to sexual misconduct allegations, and alleged involvement in the January 6th Capitol attack have significant implications for American democracy and the rule of law. The outcomes of these legal proceedings remain uncertain, but the damage to Trump's reputation and legacy is already done. The future of American democracy may depend on the ability of the country to move forward from this turbulent period and hold those responsible for their actions accountable.